Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Farsi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about reactions of alcohols. So, first reactions, acid-base properties of alcohol or OH. This hydrogen replaced and acidic in nature and forming RO minus, and then if you have ROH2 plus, then it will remove H plus and forming this. So removing of this hydrogen and this hydrogen, there is a difference in pKa. This is the pKa 16 to 18 and 0 to minus 2. Second important reaction, alkoxide as bases and nucleophiles. So this is sodium hydride. Remove this proton and forming this mide. It reacts with RX, alkyl halide, and forming ether. This reaction is known as Williamson ether synthesis, and this is SN2 reactions. Another one, this OH, this hydrogen replaced by sodium hydride, and then basic nature of oxygens used for elimination reactions, E2 reaction. Now acid catalyze dehydrations. If you have the alcohol like this, in the presence of sulfuric acid, on heating, it gives alkane even mechanism, jet safe products. If you have this alcohol E2 dehydrations with phosphoryl chloride and pyridine, you will get the E2 mechanism, jet safe products. So you see, different reagent have the same products, but different rate. This one is E1 and this one is E2. Now reaction with hydrogen halides. This is your alcohol forming alkyl halide to the SN1 with possible carbocation rearrangement. Here also forming this bromide through SN2 mechanism. Alcohol activations via sulfonyl esters. You have alcohol here, this function group, fusyl chloride, pyridine, forming this OTS. So substitution reactions, and it also go under elimination reactions. Conversion to chloride with thionyl chloride, PCl3 or PCl5. This OH converted into Cl through the SN2 mechanisms in the presence of thionyl chloride, pyridine, solvent, PCl5, PCl3. Conversion to bromines with PPBr3, PPBr5 or PPH2Br3. You see formations of alkyl halide SN2 reaction. Oxidative cleavage of vicinal diol with HiO4. This OH and this OH is vicinal in the presence of HiO4. So this breaking, it gives the CO here and this CO and HiO4. This is very important reactions. We called it oxidative cleavage of vicinal diols. Oxidation of alcohol. So primary alcohol give carboxylic acid. The reagent John's oxidation chromium oxide, sulfuric acid, potassium dichromate or sulfuric. Primary alcohols give aldehyde in the presence of PCC or PDC. Secondary alcohols give ketones. Any oxidative methods including hypochlorite or tempo oxidations, selective oxidations of benzylic allylic alcohol with MnO2. If you have this allylic, because this is double bond and this is the allylic positions, it gives these products in benzylic MnO2 give these products. So there is a benzylic alcohol and there is a allylic alcohol. So you will get the different oxidative products. So hope friends this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.